Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? Bittorrent is completely on the trending and crypto market. All currencies were very badly fares down, but Bittorrent is one of the unique and fastest cryptocurrency. As you can see here, 49.97% profit just in only in last 1 month, my brother. And all month they will starting moving upward now. So congratulations again to they will give you a profit in upcoming days also. And definitely, my friend, everybody know this too. After a short fail, every coin will wake up. So therefore, after this short fails, they will also starting moving upward and moving upward, completely moving in upward now. My brother, please, before I get started this brand price prediction of Bittorrent, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope my brother you will subscribe our YouTube channel. This time, my friends, the Bittorrent price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. But in last 1 month, sometimes they will wake up and moving upward very fastly. So therefore, in last 1 month, they will very fastly move upward now. Not my brother slowly, they will very fastly move upward, and I like that. Alright, this time the price is very cheap now, so if you want to buy it, so go now and absolutely you will easily buy it, my brother. Thanks for watching Bittorrent holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.